Should I tap on that and see if it moves?
Not the outside. Where is it in the camera? Oh, look at, not on the inside either. There it is.
I've never, I was gonna,
But still alive somehow.
isn't that something?
How's he living in there?
I don't know, and you very seldom see them. You know, once in a great while, it's like you guys with mosquitoes and snakes and...
See if we can get him to move by turning it
So I'm
on.
going with the thing and I'm trying to get in and see if it's in there, and he's still sitting up there. Yeah, he crawled in this corner when I put the microwave on. But you know, I don't know if you're supposed to have it on without any water in there. See, look at him.
Oh, look at him go! Look at him go!
And he's going to get in that corner now.
Oh, that's so scared.
Can't let me put some water in there. In the bowl.
I'll just shut it off. Holy man, that's nuts.
I've never in my entire life